Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to scan QR codes on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. To do that, just open Settings, and in Settings you will find the option of Camera. Just tap on it, and from here, in the camera settings, you will find the option Scan QR Codes. Now just enable this toggle. After you enable this toggle, you will be able to scan any QR code using the camera of your iPhone. Now to do that, just go to your home screen and open the camera app. And using the camera of your iPhone, you can scan any QR code. For an example, let's scan this QR code. Now, just place the QR code in the camera frame. And as you can see, this is the link of the QR code. Now just tap on the link to open the link of the QR code on your iPhone. And this is how you can scan QR codes on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.